Hi everyone, it's your How To teacher, Sierra, and I am back with part 2 of setting up your virtual classroom. Part 1, we talked about the basics of setting up your virtual classroom in PowerPoint. And for part 2, we are going to talk about interactivity and how to make links and insert videos and make sure you can get to wherever you need to get to just using your slides by just clicking on things in your slides. And I actually have split this video up and we'll do a part 3 right after this, show how to make your activities interactive and make things on your virtual classroom interactive. So that will be coming right after this, probably the same day. So let's go ahead and get started with this. So I've pretty much very close to being done with this one, but we're going to talk about how to go ahead and link different parts. So on my main screen, I have my weekly schedule where I want parents to click so they can see what all their students will be needing to do each day. And so I just basically entered a basic shape. I double clicked it and typed in to click here. And now I want to make it an actual interactive button. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure it's highlighted. I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to go right here to link. When I link that, I have lots of different options on how to link. I could link it outside to a website I might want them to go to. I could link it to a page in a folder. But what I want to do is I want them to be able to click that and go to another page in this same presentation. I want them to stay in here as much as possible. So I know that my slide 2 is the weekly schedule. So that's where I want them to go. I'm going to go to place in this document and I'm just going to click on slide 2. There'll be a little slide preview so I can see. And when I click OK, now when they click that button, it will automatically, and you can see if I hover over it, it will tell me it's going to take them to slide 2. So I've done this for most of the things on here, not everything yet. For my alphabet line up here, it's going to take me to slide 3, which is the word wall. And you can see it says slide 3. I have 2 things that do take them outside of the PowerPoint, which is the calendar and the math manipulative cart. And that will take them to a website outside, but it's the same thing. I highlight it. I right click. And if I wanted to change the link, I can just go to edit link. And right now I have the calendar going to Starfall. One thing I did do with those, so when you hover over it, you can see exactly where it's going to take you, is I go to this button here called Screen Tip. And you can type in what you want it to say when you hover over it. So like the other one said screen 2. Those really won't say anything when they're in a show, when they're actually using it. But these ones, when they hover over that calendar, it will say click to create the calendar for the day. And for my math manipulatives, it says the same thing. Let's go here to edit link, screen tip. And I typed in, I wanted to say math manipulative so they know what it's for, where it's going to go, and I don't have to actually label it if I don't really want to. So that's just a little quick helpful tip. All right, so now that we have that and we can get to other slides, I'm going to show you how to insert a video. I'm going to show you how to insert a video really quickly. So I'm going to go down here to my letter S room. And as you can see in all my other rooms, I have a video that I want them to watch. So I'm going to show you how to quickly insert that. So in my letter S room, I'm going to go to Insert. And I'm going to go to Video. Now, when you go to Video, you're going to go to Online Video, unless you have something saved. If you already have a video that you want that you have saved, the MP4, saved to your desktop or saved to a file or drive or whatever, you can go to Video on my PC and pull it out of that file. I have one that I got from YouTube. So I'm going to go to Online, and you're just going to insert that video link. So I have the one I want pulled up. And I'm just going to go up there to the top. I'm going to Control C to copy. Again, I'm on an HP computer, not a Mac. And then I'm going to Control V and paste it in. And it's going to bring up my video. There it is. I can resize it, which I will. So it looks like it's on my smartboard playing. And there you go. So you can add a video anywhere you want, any slide you want. So like I have this one within this whole PowerPoint slide. I also have ones that are linked to a picture. So I'm going to show you really quickly how to do that. So I have one of the stories that we're going to read for the first day of school. And on my main screen, I have the cover, which I just found a picture of on Google. And I saved it and added it here. And I did that same thing. You can do this with a picture, just like I showed you before. You right click on it, you go to that link button, and I have it going to the animate, almost like a little movie theater screen. So you can make it any size you want. So they'll go directly, it will take them right to that. So this is a very helpful tool to just go to a place in the document. So anything, any picture, a set of words, anything that you have, you just highlight it, right click, and you can link to any slide that you currently have or a web page if needed. So that is all I'm going to show you. I'm trying to keep this video quick for this part 2. Part 3, I'm going to show you how to make your activities very interactive, how to make things pop up when they're clicked on. So I'm going to go ahead and get that one done. And as always, like and subscribe. I have plenty more videos coming out. Take a look at part 1 if you haven't. Take a look at how to embed into Microsoft Teams. Uh, Other than that, I will see you in the next video for part 3. All right. Have a good day, guys. Bye.